Good morning friends, today it's 28th of July 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for short-term time frame as well as for intraday is as follows. If we see Nifty 50 index which has made 10 months high in June 2025 at around 25,669 levels, witnessed profit taking thereafter and it has retraced its previous impulsive up move. As of now, in July 2025, the index is down from the highs of 25,608 to the last week lows of 24,806, that is almost 2.7%. As per the price study, the index has a cluster of support levels on dips between 24,500 24,000 zone. So as for the price study and positional patterns and setup, positional outlook remains buy on dip with a stop below 23,800 mark, which remains a mid-term support below which only this complete pattern can be negated, and in that scenario the index can be sell on rise rather than buy on dip. So till the time index is holding over and above 23,800 mark on weekly time frame, we can expect higher levels in months to come. In short term, as per the price and pattern study, the index has immediate support between 24,750 24,500 levels for this week. That will be the first level to watch for a short term pullback, while the index need to sustain above its immediate resistance of around 25 to 5300 zone. So Nifty spot need to hold over and above 25 to 50 25,300 mark in order to trigger some short covering and negate the ongoing pessimism which is witnessed on the short term time frame. Current week initial trading range can be 24,450 and 25,250 with a silver line of 25,000 Nifty spot levels between bulls and bears. 25,000 is going to act as an immediate first important level for bulls for this week, and it need to be held in order to witness some kind of short covering and fresh buying interest. Till then, the index remains within a range under pressure. For the day to day, buy on dip can be looked towards 24,720 and 24,640 odd levels for Nifty futures, while pull back towards 25,020 and 25,120 can be looked for selling, keeping stops of 50 odd points. We are reaching to the monthly expiry, so 31st July monthly expiry for Nifty. OI data shows maximum call build up at 25,000 strike and maximum put build up at 24,000 strike. So that data also indicate that 25,000 is going to act as an important level. Until the time Nifty is trading below 25,000 mark, it is indicating weakness. If we talk about Bank Nifty futures, which ended last week at 56,586 levels, it has witnessed a sharp up move between period 20th of June to 30th of June. It was up by almost 3.8% and thereafter it has retraced back. So as of now, for this current week, initial resistance level will be around 57,200 mark, which need to be held for at least couple of sessions on a closing basis, while on the lower end 55,750 and 55,500, that is an important support for this week as a whole for contra pullback long hedged strategies, keeping a stop below 55,000 55,200 odd levels on a closing basis. So overall the index is in a consolidation phase under pressure below 57,200 500 zone. Bank Nifty for this week we can say that initial trading zone can be 55,500 and 57,500, which need to be taken off either upside or downside for further momentum. But overall, till the time it is trading over and above 55,000 55,500 mark, the bias remains buy on dip. For the day players, Bank Nifty futures intraday supports will be at around 56,200 and 55,850, which can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 100 points, while pullback towards 55,000, 57,050 and 57,250 is expected to witness fresh round of selling pressure in intraday, which can be looked for day traders for selling, keeping a stop of 100 odd points. As per the monthly OI data, for 31st of July, Bank Nifty has a maximum call build up at 57,000 strike and maximum put build up at 56,000 strike. That indicates a tug of war range for bulls and bears. Currently we are just in the mid of this broad OI data range. So overall, both Nifty and Bank Nifty need to hold and sustain over their immediate resistance level in order to trigger some kind of buying interest and short covering. Till then, the bias remains range to pressure with positional midterm outlook of buy on dip towards support levels. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.